Have you ever dreamed of owning a stylish, spacious home without breaking the bank? What if I told you that for under $70,000, you could have a durable, customizable, and energy-efficient home that blends rustic charm with modern living? If that sounds exciting, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the best barnominiums under $70,000 in 2025. We'll take you through a journey of innovative designs, practical construction tips, and inspiring success stories from homeowners who've made the leap into this unique lifestyle. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment about what you're most excited to see. Trust me, you'll want to stick around because by the end of this video, you might find yourself reimagining the way you live. Barnominiums are quickly becoming a favorite for those who seek both function and flair. These steel frame structures offer a blend of affordability, durability, and flexibility that's hard to beat. Not only do they provide a cost-effective solution to traditional housing, but they also allow for a level of customization that lets your personality shine through. Imagine a home that stands strong against the elements, requires minimal maintenance, and can be adapted to suit your lifestyle perfectly. Whether you're envisioning a serene retreat in the countryside, a vibrant family hub, or even an investment property that stands out, a barnominium could be the answer. In the coming segments, we'll highlight some of the most inspiring designs that prove why these homes are a smart, stylish choice in music 2025. Let's kick things off with our top picks for affordable barnominiums. These designs have been carefully curated to show you that style and affordability can coexist beautifully. For those who love the warmth of a traditional cabin paired with modern durability, this design is a winner. Featuring an open-concept living space, vate ceilings, and a rustic wooden interior, it exudes charm and comfort. Picture yourself waking up to a scenic countryside view with natural light streaming through expansive windows. The design emphasizes comfort and functionality, perfect for small families or couples looking for a peaceful retreat. Throughout the video, we'll showcase images of these cozy interiors complete with inviting living areas and snug bedrooms. If a sleek contemporary look is more your style, then the modern industrial barndominium will captivate you. This design fuses elements like steel, glass, and reclaimed wood to create a space that is both chic and functional. Think high ceilings, an open floor plan, and a striking kitchen island that doubles as a social hub. The industrial vibe is perfect for creative professionals, or anyone looking for a home that feels like a modern workspace. We'll roll out visuals that highlight the clean lines and minimalist aesthetics of these spaces. Definitely a must-see for fans of urban design, bringing together the classic charm of a farmhouse with modern construction methods. This style is all about comfort and nostalgia. With wraparound porches, shiplap walls, and warm, inviting interiors, it creates welcoming atmosphere reminiscent of simpler times. Whether you're dreaming of relaxing on a rocking chair while overlooking a sprawling field or hosting a barbecue on your front porch, this design has it all. We'll be highlighting images of these picturesque exteriors and interiors. So, be sure to look out for those rustic details that add character to the design. For the eco-warrior and all of us, Theft Grid Tiny Barndominium offers a neat blend of sustainability and independence. Designed with features like solar panels, rainwater collection systems, and energy-efficient insulation, this design is perfect for those who want to reduce their environmental footprint. It's not just about being green. It's also about enjoying the freedom that comes with self-sufficient living. Imagine living comfortably while relying on renewable energy and off-grid systems. Throughout this section, we'll display images of these innovative homes and ask you to consider, would you embrace the off-grid lifestyle? If you need a bit more room without sacrificing affordability, this spacious two-bedroom option might be just what you're looking for. Offering a balanced layout with a generous master bedroom, a cozy guest room, and an open-concept kitchen and living area, this design caters to families or those in of a home office space. The high ceilings and barn-style doors add an extra flair that distinguishes it from conventional homes. We'll showcase panoramic views of these designs, highlighting how every inch of space is utilized to create a comfortable, functional living, music area. You might be wondering, how can you actually bring one of these incredible homes to life without exceeding your budget? Here are some tried-and-true tips to ensure your barnominium project stays under $70,000. Opt for a prefabricated kit. Many companies now offer barnominium kits that simplify the construction process. These kits come with pre-cut materials and detailed instructions, reducing labor costs and construction time. Choose a simple floor plan. Complexity drives up costs. A straightforward design not only looks clean and modern, but also minimizes the need for expensive customizations. Use cost-effective materials. Emphasize durable yet affordable materials like steel frames, metal siding, and concrete floors. These materials not only save money, but also increase the longevity of your home. DIY where possible. If you have a knack for home improvement or are willing to learn, handling some aspects of the interior finishing can significantly cut down on labor expenses. Just be sure to know your limits. Plan smartly. A well-thought-out plan is key. Consider hiring a consultant for a few hours to ensure your design maximizes every dollar spent. This upfront planning can save you from costly mistakes later on. As we go through these tips, you'll notice corresponding visuals that break down each step. These images serve as both inspiration and a practical guide for your own project. Don't forget to jot down your questions in the comments that we're here to help you every step of the way. Music. Now that you've seen a variety of styles and learned how to keep costs down, it's time to reflect. Which one of these incredible Barndominiums resonates with you the most? Is it the cozy cabin style that exudes warmth and tradition? Or the modern industrial design that screams contemporary chic? Perhaps the farmhouse style with its timeless appeal, or the innovative off-grid option that's perfect for eco-conscious living? Or maybe you need the extra space of a two-bedroom layout. As you watch the visuals of each design, imagine yourself living in these spaces. Picture the sunsets viewed from a wraparound porch, the lively gatherings in a spacious modern living area. Your feedback matters. Share your favorite design in the comments below and tell us why it speaks to you. To truly grasp the magic of Barndominiums, let's take a moment to explore real-life stories of homeowners who embrace this lifestyle. We'll share a few inspiring success stories that highlight how Barndominiums have transformed lives. One homeowner, a former city dweller, traded the cramped apartment for a spacious barnominium in the countryside. With a modest budget, they built a home that not only provided financial freedom, but also a closer connection to nature. Another story features a young couple who used a prefabricated kit to construct their dream home, complete with modern amenities and a rustic charm that made their home uniquely theirs. These stories serve as a reminder that with creativity, planning, and a bit of DIY spirit, anyone can achieve the dream of homeownership. Even on a tight budget, watch as we roll through images and short clips of these beautiful homes and the proud faces of their owners. Their journeys might just inspire you to take the leap that a Barndominium isn't just a house. It's a canvas for your personal style. In this section, we'll dive into creative ideas for decorating and customizing your new home. Making it truly yours, consider using reclaimed wood for accent walls, adding vintage or industrial-inspired furniture, and incorporating natural elements like stone or metal fixtures. These design choices not only enhance the rustic charm of a Barndominium, but also add a unique personal touch. Whether you lean towards a cozy, lived-in vibe or a sleek, modern look, there are countless ways to transform a simple structure into a dream home that will showcase a series of before and after images that highlight dramatic transformations. These visuals will give you plenty of ideas on how to blend functionality with style. And if you try any of these ideas yourself, be sure to share your results in the comments. Your creativity could inspire someone else. As we look ahead, the Barndominium trend shows no signs of slowing down. With increasing interest in sustainable living and affordable housing solutions, these versatile structures are poised to become a staple in modern home design. New innovations in building materials, energy efficiency, and design aesthetics are constantly emerging, ensuring that the Barndominium remains a relevant and exciting option for years to come. In this part of the video, we'll highlight emerging trends and predictions for Barndominiums in 2025 and beyond. You will see interviews with industry experts, glimpses of cutting-edge designs, and innovative features that could redefine what a home looks like. It's an exciting time to be part of the Barndominium revolution, and we invite you to join us in this journey toward a more sustainable, affordable, and creative future. So, after exploring these incredible designs, practical tips, and real-life success stories, what's the verdict? Could a Barndominium be the perfect home for you? Whether you're drawn to the affordability, the ability to customize, or the sheer charm of a structure that marries rustic with modern, the answer might just be yes. Remember, your dream home doesn't have to be expensive or conventional. With the right planning and a bit of creativity, you too can build a home that stands out, reflects your personality, and offers a better way of living. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Barndominiums, please give this video a like, subscribe for more innovative home ideas, and leave a comment sharing which style or tip resonated with you the most. We love hearing from you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope the ideas and visuals have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to explore the Barndominium lifestyle. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll bring you the latest trends, design inspirations, and practical advice for creating your perfect home. Until next time, happy home building.